Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today we'll be making a delicious summer treat which is healthy as well, chocolate kulfi. It's super easy to make and needs only 4 ingredients. So without further delay, like and subscribe to the channel and let's get started. Into a medium-sized bowl, we'll add 1/3 cup oats, half cup chopped seedless dates, 1 cup warm milk, Now we'll cover the bowl and let them soak for around half an hour or until the oats and dates turn soft. The dates have turned soft and this mixture has become thick and creamy. Now we'll pour this mixture in a blender. We'll also add 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and blend this mixture till it turns smooth and creamy. Now all you need to do is pour this creamy kulfi mixture in a kulfi mold. Freeze the kulfis for around 6 to 8 hours or until they are set completely. These chocolate kulfis are ready to enjoy. They are super creamy, super yummy, free from refined sugar and make for a perfect treat to indulge in this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can check out the written recipe in the description below and do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. And if you like such healthy and tasty recipes, make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned, happy eating. I'll see you next time.